Hello everyone, Uncle Frank here, and today we're gonna learn how to draw the characters from Among Us. I like to start with a basic shape of a ghost, like this, and then I make a small oval for the visor on the helmet. And now I just draw the legs very simply. I add some details for the backpack. It's so easy that I'm gonna make another one, just for a change. So this one is going to be running. And the legs are gonna be a little different this time. Now let's go with the visor, backpack. Okay, now that my line work is done, I'm going to get my permanent marker and I'm going to reinforce the lines. Now that it's done, let's start coloring it. So the first one is going to be red. I drew a line just to mark where the shadow is going to be. Okay, now I get a darker red for the shady area. The other character is going to be purple, so I got, I guess this is the right color. Good, so now I have to color the shades a bit more strongly. Now for the visors, I'm going to use a light blue. I draw an oval just to mark the reflection. color the bottom using a light gray. Great, there you go. We have our two characters from Among Us in a very easy way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.